mga mare, it's a Monday at 2 p.m. And late ako ngayon kasi nag-work pa ako kanina at saka napahaba talaga yung tulog ko. Anyway, isi-share ko lang itong lunch ko. Binili ko lang yan sa supermarket sa tabi ng Apa Hotel. This is curry and this is chicken. Both of them is 750 yen. Ito, leftover pa natin from last night. And yung Godiva na cream puff, yung half niya, hindi ko rin naubos. So, that's our lunch for today bago tayo lumakad. Yan na yung package from the cleaners. Dahil hindi tayo nagpalinis today. Anyway, it's 4 p.m. Ngayon pa lang ako aalis. Feedback dun sa kinain ko kanina. Okay naman siya, pero buti pala bumili talaga ako ng chicken on the side kasi yung rice at saka yung curry pala, sauce lang siya, wala siyang laman. Ganun pala yun, no? So, I can't complain because it's 750 yen for the entire meal. So that's quite affordable. Remember, we're in Japan, so okay na siya. Tingnan niyo ang budoy ng tita niyo. Ako lang talaga yung hindi pumaporma sa mga napapanood nyo siguro. So, let's go to Kiramai Station, exit A1A. Itong nasa tapat natin, exit A3 kasi yan. Ngayon, kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko sa Google Maps, exit A1A is over on this side. Napansin ko, nung chine-check ko yung Google Maps, na may mga leather stores dito. As in, you go to the store to have leather goods made. Parang ganon, dyan sa mga loob-loob niyan. Ang tahimik rito, no? Pero basta malapit tayo sa station, okay tayo. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan, oh. A leather store. Ganda. Ay, ganda. Ay, gusto ko yung at may cafe siya sa taas. But only until 7 p.m. And they're closed every Tuesday. Ay, mukhang maganda. Puntahan natin yan one of these days before we leave. Very quiet naman dito. May 7-Eleven pala dyan. Ito, Square Cafe. And the subway should be here. Ayan, A1A. Uy, merong take-out place. Noted. Asa ko sa line pa rin to. Pero exit A1A. And then, we have to go take the train to Ningyocho Station. I think, i-review ko muna bago ako sumakay to be sure. Okay, mag-recharge na muna tayo.
All fare information will be displayed in English.
Recharge. Put the card. Mag-recharge tayo ng 5,000. Yan. And then where do we put the cash? Oh, here.
Please wait for your change. Please make sure to take your change.
Ayun na mga mari, nakapag-recharge na tayo. Hindi naman tayo gagamit ng IC card because we have this. But, I wanna reload my Pasmo because I wanna make sure na meron akong IC card in case I get to a store na bawal ang cash. Diba? Okay, so, we need to go to Platform 1. Ito yon. To get to Ningyocho Station. And then sa Ningyocho Station, lilipat tayo ng Hibiya Line. It's the gray line to get to Roppongi Station. Ganda ng hotel natin, no? Ang lapit natin, no? Alright, we are now at Ningyocho Station. And we have to go to Hibiya Line. Oh, there's two kinds of Hibiya lines. Wait lang, i-research ko which one. Ayan o. Dalawa siya. Wait lang ha. Okay, we have to go to the Hibiya line na Nakameguro. Dito tayo. Sakto tayo. Mga 10 stations away lang. Tapos dinaanan niya yung Tsukiji and Ginza. We need to look for exit 1A. Saan ang exit 1A? Tama ba to? Tingnan niya yung tiles nila, may arrow. Green. Papunta doon. Red pa ganun. Pwede pala tayo sa exit 1A or 1C. Let's go to 1C kasi yun yung specifically that says Roppongi Hills. Mahabang lakaran to Roppongi Hills sa... Now I wonder if I should just have gotten out of the station so that I could have sight see while walking upstairs or above ground. Dami palang pwedeng gawin dito sa Roppongi Hills. We are currently at the North Tower. Mori Tower, Complex, Arena. Alam ko meron ditong parang magandang view of Tokyo. Tignan natin to. Nakita ko na may Christmas market dito until 9 p.m. Let's see if it's something interesting. There's an art museum here. Mori Art Museum Observatory. Ganda, oh. Dito talaga sa Japan, no, kapag winter, they put lights pala. Hala, it's flickering in my camera. Hala, hindi nyo siya ma-appreciate. Sorry. Ayan, not flickering anymore. I don't know what happened. And it's starting again. Look at this big spider. Ano ba tong statue na to? Nakikita ko nga lagi yan eh. Ayan no, kita nyo ba? What is that supposed to be? Ganda naman dito. Pero dapat meron kang goal na pupuntahan dito. Like example, do you wanna go to the Dori, to the shopping street? Do you want to go shopping? Because they have shopping areas here. Meron din silang observatory. I think it's above the museum. So we could also go there. So I'll walk around here, look at the options. Pag may nakita akong mukhang masarap na ramen shop, which really means mukhang masarap at afford ko, kumain muna tayo. Kasi all we had today is the curry rice and chicken, which is not bad. But I have been craving for good ramen to the point na namimiss ko yung Kyushu Jangara, yung ramen na nakain natin sa Harajuku. Wait, Tokyo Tower is over there. Wait lang. Puntahan natin. Nako, jahe tong camera ko. Wait lang ah. Nasilip ko na nandito lang pala si Tokyo Tower. Wait lang. There's Tokyo Tower. And again, it's bigger with a naked eye than with my camera. Dito lang siya sa may area after mo lumabas ng station. There it is. Here's a better view. And I can see TV Asahi there. Di ba nakita na natin yung Tokyo Tower from one of the parks that we visited? Is it Shiba Park or Kiba Park? Yung merong winter na blooming na cherry blossoms. Ganda talaga dun, no? Kaso hindi kinakaya ng camera ko, kumikislap. It's beautiful. I think it's a nice place you can... Kasi maraming bench. Pwede ka mo po inom ng kape or kain ng onigiri pa nagtitipid. Ano ba siya? Mga puno lang naman siya na may lights. But it's nice to see. Siguro coupled with the nice weather. Kaya parang very chill vibe ang dating. This is the Mori Art Museum. It's 2,000 yen. Up to 10 p.m. pa naman siya. Oh, it really is a spider by Louis Bourgois. I hope I said the name right. So, first solo showdown niya dito sa Japan since 1997. So, that's the museum. 2,000 yen. I don't know if I want to go there. And I found the Christmas market. Christmas market. Andito lang rin siya sa may complex ng Roppongi Hills. Tingnan natin kung may masarap na kakainan. Ang cute naman ng Christmas market. Ito mga abubots. Konti lang yung stores, like less than 12. Ito naman mga food. Tingnan natin anong masarap kainan. Ay, parang German food. Ayan o, beer, pretzels, Bavarian sandwiches, 3 kinds of wurst. Mukhang masarap. Ito naman, ganun din. Bratwurst, hot dog. Ay, sorry. Ay, ang gwapo ni Kuya. Ito, yung naka-red. Dito sa ano. Uy, bumili tayo kasi pogi siya. Charot. Gwapo, no? Ganda, oh. Dami lang tao. Gwapo naman noon. My gosh, di ako makarecover. Charot. Yung waffles, 500. May mga churros din. Curry rice. Beer, 1,200. Truffle fries, 800. Ang cute. So, the Christmas market is not so big. Parang in 2 minutes may ikot mo na siya. Tapos yung mga food niya, parang yung mga nakikita mong food sa Europe. Mga schnitzel, hotdog, Frankfurt, sandwich, ganun. Okay sana kaso nakita nyo, ang daming tao. And mahal siya. Or nagkukuripot lang ako. Like for this case, ito 700, ito 1,200. Mukhang masarap. Pero kakain ka na nakatayo. Ang cute naman ito. Ano to? Currywurst. Alam mo, masarap yung currywurst. Nakatry na ako niyan. Which is really wurst or sausage or hot dog na may sauce. Sometimes it's ketchup and mustard with curry powder on top. So, depende sa store kung anong... Wow, ang ganda naman! Per trinket, ito 1.9 yan. 1.9. Ang cute niya. Ang ganda, no? Ay, ang cute ng mga dogs. Look. Makulit siya. Ayaw niyang sumunod. Your dogs are cute. Ang cute na mga trinkets. Pero mahal sila, Mario. Ito, 1.9 na to. Pero ang ganda. Nakaka-classic Christmas vibes. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Ano yung mga trinkets na uso nung 80s, 90s? Joel Robuchon. 10,000. Oh my God. Ah, okay. Ano siya? Set menu siya. 10,000 yen. Oh my gosh. Kailan kaya tayo makakain ng 10,000 yen na hindi bubukas ng bonggang-bongga yung mata natin. Ang ganda. Mga glass naman to. Glass trinkets. Oh, these are scents. Ganda. Oh, you can put them inside. Like this. Look at this, ang ganda. Oh, the Christmas tree is beautiful. 5,000 yen. Yun na yung Christmas market. Ito na, nasa harap na ulit tayo. Yun na siya. Ito yung Mori Art Museum. Alam nyo, isa sa mga namimiss ko sa Pilipinas, it's not the weather, pero napansin ko sa cinemas nila dito, dahil nakapaskil yung mga nakapalabas, wala pa silang Wicked. I love Wicked. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda pala nung building. Ito pa. Uy, Yuri, turista nakatingala. That looks like a garden na may Christmas tree. Mga mare, alam niyo bang 5:40 PM pa lang? Sobrang dilim na. Kala mo 9 PM na sa atin. Kasi, nakita ko na yung sunset 4:30 PM. I guess dahil winter, mas maikli ang mga araw, no? There's a Dior installation. Ang paporma ng mga tao rito. Ayan, oh. TV Asahi. And the people at the Dior place is nakamask. Bago ka pumasok, anong meron? The entire shopping street is illuminated. Anong meron? May artista ba? Bakit sila nagkukumpulan doon? Ay, may artista yata. Nagkukumpulan sila doon. Ano yung pinipicturean nila? Yung bus? What was that? Ah, okay. Pinipicturean nila kasi nasa gitna sila ng daan. Kala ko yung bus yung pinipicturean nila. Parang engot ako eh, no? So, syempre, if you're standing in the middle, you can get both sides of the trees. Diyos ko, nakakatawa. Nagulat ako. Bakit sila nagkakagulo? Yung pala, they wanna get a shot of the middle. Oh my gosh! Nakakatawa. Makigulo kaya tayo dyan. Charot. Galing ng Japan, no? They turned the road into a tourist spot. Nilagyan lang nila ng ilaw. And I can't blame them. Something about these trees, they're color yellow. Baka ginkgo trees? I'm not sure. Huy, may Hoka store dito. Kaso, walang nakalagay na naka-sale. Very cushioned ang mga sapatos nila eh. Nagets ko na mga mare. Ayan pala si Tokyo Tower, oh. So, pag nag-picture ka sa gitna ng daan, you can have both tree on the side plus Tokyo Tower in the middle. Diyos ko, kala ko naman kung bakit sila nagkakagulo. Una, kala ko talaga may artistang parating. Yan ang napapala kapag hindi ka nagbabasa masyado. Kasi, ang nangyari, mga mare, ang binasa ko kanina was the Edo period and the Meiji era. Okay, kukwento ko yan one of these days pag nasa isang park tayo. Dahil lagi ko nababasa yung Edo, yung Shogun, Tokugawa, pero hindi ko alam kung ano sila. I don't remember them anymore. I remember the samurais and the feudal system, but that's it. So, ito, nung nag-decide akong pumunta ng Roppongi Hills, I just remembered it in one of the videos that I saw na, yun nga, it's illuminated during Christmas. But, I didn't read a lot about this place before. Iniisip ko kasi, I don't wanna spend 3 hours researching about the place instead of just going there. Alam mo yun? I'd rather spend 3 hours here, read about it for maybe 15 minutes. Okay naman. So, my experience here is, you know, since I don't shop, hindi siya ganun ka, ay, ang ganda dito. Sayang mga mare, yung camera ko. Ay, ayan, hindi na nag-flicker. Anyway, ang experience ko dito is, it's heavily illuminated in December. So, if you guys wanna, you know, experience the typical Japan illuminated scene during winter, maganda rito. Tapos kung nagsha-shopping ka pa, syempre, oh, bakit made of glass tong upuan na to? May inscription ba? Meron. Chair disappears in the rain. Ah. Si Japan, ganyan, no? May mga installations randomly. And there's Tokyo Tower over there. Now, I feel like we could go there. Walk there. Kaso nagugutom na ako. I was hoping we can find some ramen. Or if not, maybe a Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Nasa Japan, Shake Shack ang hinahanap. Ooh, Tsutaya Books. Is this a bookstore? So, if you're like me who has plenty of time here in Tokyo, spend an hour or two here in Roppongi Hills, kasi maganda naman yung mga Christmas vibes and illumination niya. And I'm pretty sure these yellow leaves, maganda siya kapag may araw pa. Gabi na kasi ako nagpunta rito eh. Punga tayo dito. Ayan, tas magkape-kape ka dito. Or kung mayaman ka, mag-shopping ka, may Gucci, may Dior, may Rolex, may Louis. Ano pa ba nakita kong mga brands? May Bottega. This is not our shopping street. Hindi natin afford yung mga yan. Puntahan natin tong Tsutaya Books. Mukha siyang maganda. Puntahan natin. Mga mare, maganda dito sa bookstore na to. Merong Starbucks sa loob. Tapos may mga stores, I don't wanna say stores, may mga shelves sila na nagbebenta ng mga cookies, na may magagandang tin cans, magagandang wallet. My issue is, walang upuan. Actually, ngayon meron na, kanina wala. So, I couldn't buy coffee. And then sa taas, merong lounge that you can pay a certain amount so you can work. Para siyang workspace, co-working space, free wifi, internet, ganyan. Dumaan ako dyan. And true enough, maganda nga talaga yung spot na yan to take a photo of Tokyo Tower over there. So, tingnan nyo, magkakagulo sila mamaya. May dala-dala pa silang tali. Maganda naman talaga yung spot na yun to get the photo. But we're not gonna do that, mga mare. Na basa ko na merong Ippudo dito sa Roppongi. At it's just over there. Parang 2 minutes away. So, kumain tayo doon. Di pa ako nakakain sa Ippudo ramen kahit sa Philippines. By the way, mga ma, alam nyo ba, dito ako nakakita ng maraming pogi sa Japan. Kasi yung mga antatangkad na naka-trench coat, mga ganong pogi. Huy! Yuri! Napunta ako rito sa parang downtown ng Roppongi and I saw this. It's called Ikinari Steak. Hindi siya highly rated but it's 3.9 and mukhang okay siya. No, it smells like a steakhouse. Mga mare, kailangan mo talaga mag-bid kasi tumatalsik. That's gonna be my snack for tonight. Pati yung garlic, leek